another Friday means it's movie review time, and this time I'm reviewing Deadpool and Wolverine. Do you really need a review for this film? I mean, it's Deadpool, it's Marvel, but fine, if you insist. शॉन लीवी की ये फिल्म तीसरी फिल्म है. पहले आई थी डेडपूल, फिर आई थी डेडपूल 2, और ये है डेडपूल एंड वुल्वरीन. इसमें है रायन रेनॉल्ड्स प्लेइंग डेडपूल, ह्यू जैकमैन प्लेइंग वुल्वरीन, kind of reprising their roles from what we've seen them do so far. Part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. इस बार फिल्म में दोनों साथ मिलते हैं दुनिया को नहीं बचाने, अपनी दुनिया को बचाने. इससे ज्यादा मैं कोई स्पॉइलर नहीं देने वाली आपको. दिस ऑल्सो wasn't technically a spoiler. तो अब when I say Deadpool, आपके दिमाग में क्या आएगा? Ryan Reynolds, check, of course. Then slow-mo action sequences set to pop music, check. Very, very witty, humorous, self-owned jokes, check. Sassy, cheeky, witty humor, check. Breaking the fourth wall and talking to you directly, check. All of this happens right in the opening and it makes you realize कि तुम इससे इतना प्यार क्यों करते हो. At least I do. He is my favorite superhero, favorite character in the MCU, and it makes you realize why he's the funnest character there is. Okay, I'm not debating that. This time around though, there's a whole lot of gossip girl jokes. If you know what I mean, talking about a specific somebody. पर होता क्या है, ठीक है, अपना हीरो एक मीडियोकर लाइफ में ऐसे फंसा हुआ है, अपना पोटेंशियल नहीं लिव अप कर रहा है. Very relatable. And through the multiverses, his paths cross and he's trying to save and then he gets Logan's help. Marvel films में जैसे होता रहता है. So one of the things I loved the most in the film was how they managed to balance out vulnerability with action with humor. कहीं पे भी ऐसा हाइपर मैचो, हाइपर मैस्कुलिन अगर कुछ करे तो ये भी दिखा रहे कि वो कितना फूल हार्डी है, कि वो कहाँ पे अपनी लाइफ में गलत गए, कहाँ पे उनके रिग्रेट्स है, क्यों ये सब कर रहे हैं, उनका मोटिवेशन क्या है. And I like that part. Also, the cameos are real fun. And Hugh Jackman, something about him, every time he's on screen, oh, yeah, you want to go back and watch all the X-Men and Logan films. But anyway, the film does have its faults. Like, there's some action sequences which are pretty pointless, and you're just like, why? There was no logic here. And then you remember ki, yeah, Marvel stopped making sense sometime back. So, whatevs. Also, the whole multiverse, and then the different characters, and then that same character in multiple verses. Yeah, used to be really cool once upon a time. But here, does that come in the way of making this an entertaining film? It's still a really fun watch, okay? तो ये सारी चीजें खेल अपना बिगाड़ती नहीं है, और काफी फन, काफी मजेदार. Definitely stay back. है end credit scene, इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, but है. And हमारे पूरे थिएटर में से कोई भी नहीं हिला. So everyone followed the brief, which I loved. So yeah, it's definitely a must watch, and you should watch it in 3D. I want to go back and watch it just for that opening sequence, and Ryan Reynolds dancing is. खैर, और भी फिल्में रिलीज हुई है. I will try to review them all here. सिनेमा की सारी बातें यही होती रहती है, तो सब्सक्राइब एंड गो. Okay, please. Bye.